I'm here to show you how to swap out your skid pad on your Origin. So we're going to take this and tilt it down on its back. So we can see the skid pad is pretty worn, it's ready for a new one. So I'm going to take a flathead screwdriver. You can use any sort of flat object that can be wedged in to this seam, and about a quarter of the way in on one side and a quarter way of the in on the other side, there's these indents that you can wedge into. So you can kind of see if you look closely. And I'm going to insert here and tilt it out, and then tilt on the other side as well. And from here, it's released. So I can just tip that out, and you can kind of see the underworkings here. So I'm going to grab my new skid pad, nice and new, and make sure everything's lined up. So this hole is lined up towards the front, and you have these on either side, and you'll kind of toe it in from the bottom and make sure everything clicks back into place. So you'll hear it, and this seems pretty good. So now you're ready to cut.